Hi, it's Justin from CanadaWhips.com. Today we're going to talk about changing lead hands in the Queensland Crossover using fast figure eights. Let's get started. In case you're new to the premise of changing lead hands in the Queensland Crossover, there's always one arm that's leading, and it's the one on the bottom. My right arm is leading, and now my left arm is leading. There's a number of different ways to change lead hands, and in this video we're going to use the fast figure eight and the reverse fast figure eight, both done in the overhead plane. To change lead hands with the regular fast figure eight in the overhead plane, the arm that's on top is going to do the fast figure eight instead of doing an overhead crack. So, if you watch here, my right arm is following, it's on top. And when it does the overhead crack, right after the bottom arm does it, I'm going to do a fast figure eight. When I do that fast figure eight, after the second crack, my left arm does the reverse overhead crack and it gets put on top. And that's how the lead hand changes. I'll try and do that slowly. I'll do it again from the other side. So my top arm is going to go fast figure eight. It really feels like after the fast figure eight, your arm dips underneath to become the lead arm. Doing this lead hand change back to back is exactly the same as doing the changing eights, but in the overhead plane. If you haven't seen the changing eights tutorial yet, look it up on our YouTube channel. Just as a refresher, the changing eights is a slow figure eight and a fast figure eight happening back to back. So, bang. So the fast figure eight happens in between the cracks of the slow figure eight. Similarly, in the Queensland Crossover, the fast figure eight happens in between the cracks of the Queensland Crossover. So, that's how to change lead hands with the regular fast figure eight. To change lead hands with the reverse fast figure eight, we're going to do something similar, except this time the bottom arm is going to be the one that initiates the change. So your bottom arm is going to be doing the Queensland Crossover, and instead of doing a reverse overhead crack, it's going to do a reversed overhead fast figure eight. When you've done the reverse fast figure eight, the arm swings out, does another reverse overhead, and then gets put on the top. So watch my bottom arm. I'm going to go. And now I've changed. I'll do it again with my left arm. That's how to change lead hands with the reverse fast figure eight. Once you're confident with both of these moves, try doing them back to back. So with your right hand, so my dominant hand in this case, I'm going to change with regular, and then I'm going to change with the reverse. And then I'm going to change with my left, and again with my left. I know that might seem a little intimidating at first, but once you understand the move, it's really quite simple. It's just your top arm doing a regular fast figure eight, and your bottom arm doing a reverse fast figure eight, both in the overhead plane, and that's how you change lead hands. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. If you want to learn more about whips and whip cracking, please check out our website at CanadaWhips.com. Again, my name's Justin. I'll see you next time.